Right, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to generate leads from Google with minimal outlay. Obviously, there's always a small charge because you've got to use OpenAI and stuff like that. But this system is by far one of the lowest cost per acquisition systems that you can do. You scrape the internet, you take the data, you then send cold emails correctly using the correct infrastructure, and you then turn them into leads. And in this video, I'm going to show you again a way to do all of that. And it's simply turn your business into an AI profit machine. And that is exactly what you need to do. So, with this simple process, the first thing you need to do is go to Google. So, I'm just going to open Google like this because you need to hit the tools button right there. Once you've hit the tools, you go to advanced search that's here, and then you put your keyword search in. So for this example, I'm going to do it on my target audience, and I target lead generation agencies because we do lead generation and we help them with their lead generation. We then need to go to none of these keywords. So we want to make sure that it doesn't have any of these keywords within the search, because if it does, it's just going to pull up every single YouTube video, etc., etc., and we don't want that. And then we go to region, and wherever you are based, you can use the region. So we'll go for the UK because that's where I am. And then we could do an advanced search, and this is how much data it brings up. And as you can see here, this is all lead generation businesses that are perfect for my ideal client, because I know who my ideal client is. There's absolutely loads of them that I can target. The next thing you need that's free is Instant Data Scraper. That's a Chrome plugin. So once you've got that, you can simply click on that and it will then bring up the table, and obviously make sure that you're connected on the right table. So it brings in the URLs and the information that you need, and then make sure you locate the next button for scraping. So you can scrape, open the next instant data scraper, and then allow it to start scrolling and taking the information that you need. So it's going to build up this whole list of data that we need for us to do some cold outreach email marketing to. So when you're doing that, you need to make sure your email infrastructure is right and all of that set up, and you're not using high level and Mailgun to do it because it won't work. You'll land in spam. So I'll show you a bit later on how to do that. But for this example, I'm going to stop this right now because we've got 54. This would go on all day, scrolling the whole of the internet to find the information that we need. So we're going to simply download that file, and it's going to give us a file now, just like this. So we now have what they do, the URLs, what they do again. We have, and you'll see, no email addresses at all. So at the moment is totally dead to us. So what we do now is we simply take this data of URLs. So once we have the URLs, there's two ways to do this. One, if you've seen my previous videos, you can take it over to this automation that's done by Make. So there's a Make automation that you can do all this through, and this will also find the names and stuff like that. So I'm going to show you this way. So you simply just run this process, and it fails. Oh, I know why. Let me go back to here. It's because that isn't email. We need to delete that. So if it's not formatted properly, it's not going to run the automation. So you need to make sure. This is obviously just a very quick example of how you can do it, because obviously I don't want the videos to be too long so you can see it. So this will go through the process. It will go through to every single website. It will go to ChatGPT, and it will fill this whole spreadsheet out as you go. So as you can see, that's going through that now to find the email addresses for those business. That's one way. The second way to do exactly the same is you go over to anymailfinder.com. This is paid. You have to pay for this. This automation, one, you have to pay for Make, depending on how long you use it for, because you only get 10 minutes, you get 5 minutes free. So if you use it a lot, you're going to have costs. And obviously your OpenAI charges as well, you have a cost, but it's very minimal cost So, and that does obviously that spreadsheet, as you see, it's working away, getting all my email addresses and getting everything. This way, you can simply come in here, do bulk search, new bulk search, decision maker. We can then save that CSV file. Let me just drop that CSV file straight into here. It will find the CSV file. We can then click on domains. So it highlights the domains. We can then process that. And what that will do now is it will now go through and process and find all the decision makers and the email addresses and validate them for sending purposes. This spreadsheet doesn't actually validate them, but what it will do is it will find all the email addresses for you. Then you can take them to a validation tool to validate them. And the validation tool I recommend is on Emailscale. If you've not done cold outreach email before, this is the best place to start. It's £1 for up to 100 inboxes. Get your data and your email copy and send it all up. And the way they're different is where you've got one domain in high level, for instance, you're sending one single domain, you're sending emails out, you're hitting the daily sending limits of these platforms. And Google and Microsoft don't support cold email at all and actually banned it. And so is Mailgun. So if you're sending cold emails via Mailgun server via high level, you're not going to land in the inboxes. So what you do in front end is a total waste of time to get the output. What this does is it sets up hundreds of different domains. So if you're going for 100 inboxes, it's 35 domains that allows you to send 40 emails per day. So you're sending shorter amount of emails. So you land in the inbox and it's the correct infrastructure. So once you've got the correct infrastructure set up, it's a far easier way to land. And as you can see here, it goes through why the difference is between Google and stuff like that. And you can get started for £1 So once you've got your data, this platform is doing that one. This one is also doing this one. You can then set up your inboxes, go to Instantly, make sure you have an account on Instantly because one, you have to set up your warm up for 2 weeks on your new accounts. And then you can set the whole process up on here to send your emails. Make sure your emails are value based. You're not just trying to sell to them. So value based content, and then that will drive you positive replies. You can take those positive replies, turn them into high level, and then high level can then run with your automations to do that. So it's a very simple circle that you use. You use Google to get the contact details. You use either this tool to run or use the bulk searcher to find. So this is found 37 emails. This one is still going at 27. So you can simply preview that and then it gives you all of those email addresses. So we can download this. Oh no, we've got to pay. It's only on a free example at the moment, so I'm not going to pay for it. But it will. Then you can then take those downloads out of there, and you can then see those platforms, all those emails. You can then take them off and start sending. So that's how you can use Google to generate yourself lots of leads using this whole circle. So Google Instant Data Scraper, Emailscale for your email inboxes, Instantly to send, and then either this make automation that's failed for some reason. So it's probably because it's found an unverified email address. Because again, I just simply just took them and pasted them where you have to clean them all, and then you can then send them via here, and therefore you have lots of email addresses for very minimal cost. If you need any help with anything, you want to see the whole system again in more detail, just drop me a message. I'm more than happy to show you on Zoom how it works and talk you through of how you set it up. But wish you the very best of luck of generating more leads for your business, and I'll speak to you very soon.